Hello everybody, hope you all are fine. Today I'm going to make one important video for all the graduate and undergraduate students. Many people struggling to learn programming languages like C, C++, Java and Python. So no matter what they do, they struggle for this knowledge. Now I'm going to help them with one of the finest solutions. So if you wish to learn any courses regarding technology, marketing and arts, the best solution is Unschool. So Unschool in this week they're providing 50 to 70% discount in their courses. If you wish to learn, this is the best time you can learn in this pandemic situation, because we are providing courses like Python and high level courses like cloud computing, big data and artificial intelligence also. So it will be helpful for the people who are doing masters also, masters in MCA and MTech also. So if you wish to learn, these are the steps to follow. So firstly go to Google Chrome and type Unschool school courses. So this is the first link which shows the official site of Unschool. So this is the official website of Unschool, and you can see here this is one of the topmost startups in India. This is formed as a Make in India project. So it is ranked as 3 in LinkedIn top startups. So it's also digital learning portals in 2019. Also, it is marketed by T Hub Telangana Hub. So what these in these courses, what you will do means every course, whatever the course you learn, you will learn from the scratch. So everything will be from the basics. No need to worry about the previous knowledge or prerequisites of the other courses regarding the course you learn. It will be from the scratch. So after the completion of your course, you will get the certificate on completion, that is mandatory. And mentorship and coaching, if you have any doubt regarding any course or any subject in that course, immediately you can contact mentor and coaching staff of that particular course. It is purely self-paced. You can learn anytime in your lifetime if you take the course once. And projects also available in that course. If you complete the course successfully, we assure you that you can build the projects on your own no matter what happens. And apart from this, we are providing internship opportunities also who completes the course successfully. And there will be an interview at the end of the course. If you crack that interview, you will be into the Unschool interns directly. And these are the courses we provide. So Python is there, Android app development, art of selling, artificial intelligence is also there, cloud computing, which is most recent trending topics. For civil engineers also there is a course, big data, which is also a most important thing nowadays. C, C++ language, the basic thing in this corporate world. And business management also is there. So career planning for freshers, this will be the most important course for undergraduates who are in undergraduate. Cybersecurity, one who designs web development, for them it will be a very important course. So don't get offended by this rates or cost of this courses which is showing here. It is completely not what we do, because we are providing almost 50 to 70% discount within this week. If you wish to learn and if you wish to buy these courses, please DM me as soon as possible in Instagram link will be in the description of this channel. So this don't get hurt by this. I mean this rates, this is not the correct rates for this week. So we also provide many courses regarding management, arts and skill development in programming languages also. So if you wish to learn and if you wish to buy the course, please DM me as soon as possible. So make sure that you like the video and subscribe to this channel to get further videos like this. And thank you guys for your valuable time. Thank you.